Welcome to Manley's Belvidere Ford, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in inventory, and comes equipped with rear view camera, leather wrapped steering wheel, parking sensors, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, keyless entry, fully automatic headlights, tire pressure monitoring system, heated front seats, and has less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1883, the Manley name brand has been proudly serving our community. As the world's second oldest Ford dealer, we are locally owned and community focused. We pride ourselves on outstanding customer service. We're a little different and a whole lot better. So come visit us here at Manley Belvidere Ford. You'll be glad you did. We're located at 1800 North State Street in Belvidere.